Hello guys, thank you so much for joining today's live stream. So guys, if you don't mind, okay, just give me a moment. Today is going to be quite an interesting live stream. This is because we actually spoke about this potential move yesterday that was going to happen. This was actually about related to Dogecoin now. Okay, so we actually did a live stream yesterday talking about it. If you guys want to see more in depth about how we analyze this move before it happened, you guys can watch that live stream. It was just posted yesterday. Today, we're actually going to go a little bit more in depth about Dogecoin, especially finding out where potentially price is heading to. Okay, and are we maybe going to be seeing a move towards the upside? All right. If that sounds interesting, okay, please stay tuned. Enjoy the music for now. Let me go get my glass of water, and then I'll be back with you guys. All right. Hi, hello. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into today's session, guys. I learned to make my own cup of iced latte. To be honest, not bad lah. The very first day when I made it, okay lah. I have to be honest, a little bit off. Okay, but I was just learning because I'm actually someone that don't really enjoy coffee. I never been insanely crazy about coffee or anything like that. But then like today, not today, like recent times, I'm still not crazy about it. Okay, it just somehow helps me to think faster, and then also like whenever I'm tired, okay, it keeps me energetic. I mean that's what coffee is for, right? Yeah. So only because of that purpose, I kind of enjoy it. Yeah. So I even to the point, guys, I'm planning to even buy like a coffee machine already. Like it's getting insane now. Okay, that's all now my YouTube search history all is about coffee machine already. Ay, if you guys got any suggestion about any coffee machines, good one, right? Let me know. Okay, because I saw something BR what forgot like BRE something the brand, but then got some people online they say it's terrible coffee machine. I was like, what? Really? It looks so premium. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's get into today's session, huh? So, based on what we analyzed yesterday, okay, we actually saw price was actually hanging out above this trend line zone lah. This is yesterday lah when we were analyzing the charts. Okay, we went into daily also. okay, and we were able to identify that this is actually the OB zone in the 4 hour, guys. Okay, so don't worry. I also believe that we already went through the exclusive session today only for the Discord community members. We already spoke about OB zones. All okay, so this one is actually in a smaller time frame. Don't get confused why it's being drawn this way. Okay. Okay. So oh yeah, before I continue, I always forgot. I need to do my intro. If you're new, okay, and you're joining on a beautiful Sunday, thank you so much for joining the live stream. My name is Guna. Okay, I have been trading for the past 3 years now. Uh, I have this goal basically is to create genuine a community of genuine traders and put us all in a room. Basically, the room is our Discord community, whereby we'll be able to share all of these trading fundamentals, okay, technical analysis, our understanding of what the market is potentially going to do, like really everything solely about trading. Okay, this is just to build that environment which will benefit anyone who is truly interested into becoming a trader. Yeah, so if you're interested, okay, there's a link in the description. Everything is 100% free, by the way. All of these exclusive sessions, these videos, all is 100% for free. It's just you have to be serious about trading. That's the only people we want to teach. All right. Oh yeah, the link is in the description. Just register, and then let me know, and then we will send you the Discord community link. It's just only today. Join you. Yeah, today so early because today is a Sunday. Okay, and then my parents actually came over, so I want to spend some time with my parents, and also spend some time with my wife. So I thought, okay, I just do a live session earlier today because I have the feeling like if I never do live, I never speak with you guys, I never share what is going on, I feel like something wrong. I'm at to that point already. So that's why I just want to make sure I do the live session so that you guys will be able to understand and identify what is actually going on in the markets right now. I joined your inner circle session today. Learn a lot about fried chicken concept. Yeah. The way how I like to teach is I don't like to teach very professional terms lah. I still teach professional, okay, but I make it super fun so that you guys will be able to learn. You use the fried chicken concept, right? And then you earn, right? You send in the group I saw. Congratulations. Amazing. Really amazing. Managed to make some profit. Yeah, yeah, you managed to make some profit. Amazing. Yeah, I saw. No worries, no worries. I'm actually very happy to do it. Okay? This has been a goal of mine already for quite some time. All right, guys, we continue with the session. So, in the daily, what I was able to analyze, okay, yesterday is basically I was just marking out my this thing, okay, my liquidity range yesterday. This was what we did in our video yesterday, our live stream. And then also, I realized that there was an OB zone, okay, which was being respected. All right, for those that joined the session today, this is the fried chicken. All right, and then there was also a fair value gap that has been fully filled, okay, from this move all the way up. Okay, there's also liquidity ranges where price came in and taken out. Okay, there's also a fair value gap here, a bearish fair value gap, which price came and respected. All right, so there's quite a few things that are happening, but based on the recent most latest price action, what I can understand, okay, basically the thing that I can understand is price filled the gap, and then price is now respecting the OB zone. That is why we're seeing a nice rejection to the upside. Okay, not a very strong move yet, because after this rejection we are seeing bears come in right away. Okay, if this is a very powerful OB zone, after this rejection we will usually be seeing more bullish candles compared to right away seeing a bearish one. Okay, but it doesn't mean we cannot trade or anything. It's just something to take note of. All right, this is the closest range of liquidity that I was able to analyze based on my own personal trading strategy. Okay, so based on the 4 hour, what I was able to identify is I was able to identify that a fair value gap has been filled, and then there was also an OB zone here. But again, this OB zone is actually in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, but there is an OB zone here which was being respected. Therefore, we are not so sure if this liquidity range will be taken out or not. All right, but does it have to be taken out? Not necessary, okay, because like what we said, we cannot really control or understand where price potentially will be moving to, right? Okay, but what we can identify is, let me see if this works out nicely. Yeah, this works out nicely. This is another form of liquidity. Okay, this trend line here, a bit lower. Yeah, a bit lower. Okay, this trend line here, right, guys? Okay, all of this is actually a form of liquidity ranges here, lah. So if price starts to move down, potentially we may be seeing price take out these liquidity ranges, just potentially. All right, this was also a sweep of liquidity. This is why we are continuously seeing a move up. By the way, for those that don't know, this is actually a H4 chart lah. All right, so that means each of these candles close after 4 hours. Okay. Now we're going to 1 hour. What did we predict yesterday? We predicted that this is the OB zone. All right. Basically, this is our not fried chicken, but this is the restroom. Okay. Potential restroom, like what we spoke about this morning during our session. Okay. That is why we're seeing a move to the downside. All right. They are digesting the chicken. Okay. So based on this, we actually drew this trend line just for the sake of understanding if price will break through or not. This was where we were yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, and price did break through beautifully. All right. Another thing to take note of: this was a bullish fair value gap that which we identified yesterday. Okay, and in the live stream I mentioned we have to now understand and see if this will get respected or disrespected. Okay, based on this understanding, right, we got disrespected. That's why the price actually started to trade below this fair value gap, which now becomes an inverse fair value gap, guys. Okay, so now comes the golden question. What does that all mean, Guna? What can I do now? That is all I want to know. Okay, okay. I get you. All right. So we're getting there already. So this is what? This is the 15 minutes, right? You see when price come all the way up here, right, guys? It's actually just to close off this fair value gap, which it did very beautifully. Okay, why I didn't mark this out yesterday is because we were analyzing this candle here, if I'm not mistaken. This or either this one, all right? One of these two candles, because we only went as low as H1 yesterday. We didn't go even lower to analyze. So I'm not sure if it's this one or is this one, but I think this is what time is this? 12:30. Then I think it's this one, guys. This is the candle that we were analyzing. Okay, this is the one where it broke through. So now only I'm able to identify there is actually another gap here. Fill the gap. Okay, hold on. Wait. We don't want it to be in the center, the right side. Okay. There's a reason why price moved up to this level. Basically, is to fill the gap. On top of that gap, okay, where is price actually right now hanging out? This has become an inverse fair value gap, right? Because price traded below it. On top of inverse fair value gap, today what we learn is about OB zones, right? This is our OB zone. Okay. Can you guys see price actually came, fill up the gap and touched the OB zone, and we are respecting this zone. So what is that telling us, guys? This is telling us that price is continuing its move to the downside. Okay. So now we must identify who is actually in control here. I know it seems like sellers, but sellers actually was not present here, right? This is where sellers are actually present. There's a reason and a way how to find this, okay? But that is based on my own personal strategy. If you guys want to learn that, also completely for free, but it depends on how much you guys really want it. Okay, because I only want to teach this to genuine traders. If you genuinely want to become a trader, please register through the link in the description below. Everything is 100% for free. The only thing that is not for free is your time, which you have to be able and be okay to actually sacrifice that in order to learn to become a trader. Okay, that's the only thing I ask from you guys. I'm not asking you guys to pay me anything. Okay. All right. So this is the opportunity of where we understand sellers were actually present in the market. Let me see. In the 5 minute, can I find anything else? Okay, 5 minute also, right? In the smaller time frame, sellers actually show their presence here also. Okay, so the proper and beautiful entry. Okay, this would have been another order block zone, which is what we learned today. This would have been a very nice entry. Okay, this was mitigation. This would have been another nice entry, guys. This one here, this is mitigation. So I'll show you guys how many entries we could have gotten. Okay, this would be one. Say how much we can get this one. Okay, almost 1 to 3. So this one, either if we close means okay safe, or not means we set BE. Okay, because usually 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, right? Okay, so this would have been one successful one. Okay, this one, the rejection candle, stops above the high. Another one, 1 to 3. This one no problem lah to reach 1 to 3. Okay, so this is the two trades that we could have taken today. All right, so now I want to try and identify who is currently in control. I understand overall the move is towards the downside, right? So let us identify first and see who is currently taking power. I know we're seeing a move up, but just seeing a move up, guys, isn't enough. Okay, just based on that, right, isn't enough for us to identify that, oh, it's moving up, buyers are in control. No, 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 no. That is not how the market works, guys. Okay, we really have to be able to identify and see what is price action telling us. So far, I can see a 15-minute liquidity range being swept, and then I'm seeing a move towards the upside. All right, right now, okay, we are currently in mitigation right now. Okay, live. So based on this, right, we have to now wait and see how is price actually respecting this zone. We are seeing a nice form of respect right now. To be honest, we're seeing a very nice form of respect. Of course, there is a weekend, okay? So weekend it does tend to move quite slow, the price. So I'm not so sure how fast we can potentially be see price moving now, okay? But again, it is a weekend, so you know, not to say it's not tradable. It is still tradable. But so far, this is the first footprint of buyers for me, okay, based on my strategy. You guys might see it differently, and it's totally fine because why? Trading, I always say this, is a Rubik's Cube concept, guys. Why do I say Rubik's Cube concept? It basically means if to solve a Rubik's Cube, right, there are millions of combinations, okay, millions. You can use combination A, I can use combination G. My name is G, so I use combination G. Okay, somebody can use combination H, I, whatever, okay, it doesn't matter, all right? But regardless whichever combination we choose to use, all right, every one of us still can reach the same destination. I'm not saying we all can reach the same profit zone, profit, I mean, the in terms of numbers, because that one is very dependent on how much money we are actually putting into the account and how much we are actually risking to trade. Okay, but what I'm saying is, in terms of our target areas, our entries, our ideas, our perspective, these all can still align. The price will still go to a certain point range where we both can actually see. You might be seeing price, no, I think price is going to go down. Okay, you might be right. I might be wrong, and that's okay. That is the thing about trading, guys. Trading is a very beautiful mixture between, uh, how to say, combinations, emotions, fundamental. There's a lot of things going on because we understand, right? There's a reason why we are seeing red candles and green candles because trading, okay, is an arena when we are constantly seeing these two parties fight. Okay, every single candle, by the way, they are fighting every single candle, buyers and sellers. All right. In trading concept, we call them bull and bear. Bull is the ones that are pushing price up. Bears are the one pushing price down. All right. So based on what we are looking at here, right? Okay, this part of the mitigation has been respected, but let me see. Over the weekends, guys, we have to take extra precautions. Okay, extra precaution. Sorry, there's a reason for it because we don't have that much of volume. Okay, since we don't have that much of volume, we have to be cautious and understanding what is price choosing to do today. But again, like I said, it doesn't mean that we don't have any opportunity. I just highlighted that we had two opportunities for Asia session. Okay, if you realize, very simple drawings, and there's nothing complicated here. I just knew that bears were present, mitigation, entry. Bears were present, see, OB zone, respect, entry. That's it. Very simple. Okay, I'm seeing rejection here. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, we put a very small stop loss. Okay, this one is a little bit risky. The reason being, right, only reason being is because, let me see here, guys. It's good. 1 2 3, because price actually didn't came into the discount zone yet. Okay, for those that are wondering, what is discount zone? What are you speaking? What are you saying? Okay, discount zone is actually a trading concept where buyers are mostly interested, okay, to enter a trade. All right, as compared to the premium zone where sellers are mostly interested to enter the trade. Okay, to understand this concept, if you guys want a lot more detailed, right, please feel free to register into the free Google form link that I actually have placed below. Okay, and then you guys can join in this whole community, and then we can speak a lot about it and learn a lot more about it, right? So for now, guys, enjoy the music first. Okay, let me reply a very important text. Okay, it's actually one of the people from our trading community. All right, priorities, and then I'll get back to you guys. Just a minute, okay? I'll just be here only. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. All right, enjoy the music first, guys. guys, look at price, look at price. This is the only dangerous thing. If we want to, okay, say we went to SL already. There's a reason behind, all right? I will show you guys. See, you see this golden range, right, guys? Right here, this golden range thing. Okay. Just now we spoke about discount and also premium. Okay. This move so far we actually seeing buyers are in. This is buyers footprint. Yes, this is a form of mitigation and this is being respected. Correct. Okay. But the more, how to say, proper mitigation area, okay, you guys should find now basically lah, okay, as my own advice, it should always be something resting below the discount zone. Okay, so this one is showing you guys a live example. You see, if I find another one, I find one below mitigation and then we see when price reaches it how you react. Let me see, let me see. Okay guys, wait. This side is not forming. This one is respected mitigation already. All right. This will be a very beautiful one actually. This actually showed mitigation here. So that means buyers were actually here now. Okay, this was actually a mitigation area. How to find these mitigation areas, all right, is no need to worry. If you guys are confused about what is mitigation, how do I find it, what should I do, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, there are steps on how to actually find a mitigation very easily. Okay, very easy, but it will take time for you guys to understand them in a smaller time frame, I'll be honest. All right, even for me, so it took me quite some time to be able to identify them in a smaller time frame. Smaller time frame meaning like M1. Okay, you guys might be asking me, why M1 is harder to find mitigation? Very simple. The reason is because, okay, this one I remove. It is because you can see how many candles and how many liquidity ranges in M1. I tell you, oh my god. If you guys want to draw the lines for the liquidity ranges for M1, you guys might go insane, I tell you. Okay, but in terms of how to find mitigation areas in M1, it is possible, but there is a strategy that you guys have to use. Okay, so you see right now, right, we're actually in the golden range right now. Okay, so this one is equilibrium level. Usually when price comes here, okay, the first touch, right, okay, usually we will see some form of reaction. Okay, that means if it's moving towards the downside, we will see some form, very little also, of reaction back towards the upside. This means there is a potential move that may happen towards the upside. Because why? The fundamental of market foundation for a bullish trend is impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. All right. So right now, what are we seeing here? We're seeing an impulse. Okay. Now we're seeing a pullback. All right. It's very, very common. Okay, when we are seeing a move up, suddenly we're seeing a move down. Very common. Okay, this is how market moves, like this is how market behaves. All right, so when we see this pullback, okay, down the pullback is happening, right? You see when it touch the golden range, right, just beautifully, you are seeing some form of, I won't say a true rejection lah, but we're having a small reaction. This means, right, there is some potential where price may be continuing its move to the upside. If you ask me where potentially we can be aiming, the previous area where sellers was actually showing their footprint in the market. Okay, of course we have to identify, all of these liquidity ranges when price comes and takes them out, how they react. But at the same time, we could potentially also be sellers stepping in the market right now. Okay, because I like to always give my analysis two ways. Okay, I don't like to only focus on one side of the market. There's a reason because of behind this line. Previously, right, when I started out trading, okay, I always used to focus only on buying, only on selling. I thought it would help me. I thought it would help clear my mind. To an extent, yes. To an extent, okay, it helped me clear my mind in terms of only focusing on buying or only focusing on selling. Yes, it did help clear my mind. But then I start to realize, right, in the long run, it didn't really help me out. Okay, the reason why it didn't help me out is because when I only focus on one side of the market, all right, I was so adamant to only see the market move, for example, towards the upside or towards only the downside. I was so stubborn, okay, because I only focus on where the market should go. You see, you see the difference or not? When you give predictions in two sides, you no longer have control. You really let yourself know, okay, I don't have control of what potentially will be happening. Anything will happen. It could go up or it could go down. Okay, but regardless whichever direction it may be going, I'm ready. All right. So this is the difference. But compare lah to us only focusing that, oh, okay, today I'm only going to focus on buy, I'm only going to focus on sell. We are already considered micromanaging our trades. When you start to micromanage your trades and things don't play out how they are supposed to play out in your mind because you micromanage it already, you will get easily confused, you will get easily emotional. Okay, the worst is to start trading emotionally, guys. That's insane. So coming back to my story, when I this was a buy, I remember it was a buy. It was for gold, I think, at the time, because at that time I got I got trade crypto, but not as frequent as I do now because now I start to see the potential in crypto is like a lot, guys, really a lot, especially after the new presidency, right, of President Trump coming into power. It was he like said so many big things about crypto lah. So there's a lot of things to look forward to lah. Okay. So I remember it was gold, okay, clear as day. I remember it was gold. And then what happened? Because I was focusing on a buy, okay, whenever the market was having a pullback, okay, I will enter, all right? Yes, it was a pullback, but then it turned out to be a potential reversal. The worst part is after the reversal, right, when price was moving down, because I was so focused on buying, I found the next order block zone or the next zone where I can see reaction. So when price come in there, show me a little bit of reaction, I will go buy again. And then guess what? It will connect myself. And then I will find the next zone and then I will go buy again. And then again, I will connect myself. So this was something that I learned now that when I start to shift my mindset and shift my trading style into being more, I mean, humbling myself, reminding myself that I don't have power to move the market. All right. The real people who is actually moving the markets, they are called market makers. All right. Only they have the power to actually move the market either up or down. Okay. And I let myself know that that is okay for me to not have power. It is okay for me to not have control over what the market potentially will be doing, and it's totally fine. Okay. I told myself this, and this is all real thing I told myself. Huh? But I told myself, but I still want to be able to identify where are they. Okay, you see, where are they? Because if I'm able to identify where are they, then I can potentially follow their trades. Essentially, that's what I can do. So you see like this, right? The two trades that I showed you earlier is because I'm able to identify they are here. All right. This one is showing me buyers are actually present, maybe having a move up. But then sellers are also showing some footprints here. So how I'm able to identify what to do? You might ask me, Guna, then what should I do? Takkan you want me to buy and sell? No, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. We wait. We just wait. There's a reason why I mark out this line. Okay? I want to see how price will respect this zone or not. Okay? A bit lower actually. A bit lower. Okay, this one. Okay? If market tends to respect this zone and start its move down, then potentially I may be seeing a move towards the downside. Potentially only. Okay? Because based on our market structure, okay, based on our market structure, this is very much of a bullish trend. Okay, if you go to the basis, right, okay, you will see, okay, this is a clear break, okay, from a downtrend. Now market finally made a new break. Okay, then we're seeing a pullback. Then right now we're seeing a bullish candle. Okay, we can go for a buy. Yes, not wrong at all. Totally a relatable concept. Okay, it's very relatable. We can also say, oh yeah, so price came into the discount range, so it's very obvious that buyers will be more interested compared to sellers. Yeah, all of that is very clear. All of that is not a wrong understanding. Okay, but one thing you must understand is whatever you are seeing in the market right now, all right, whatever you're seeing, the market maker also can see that, and millions of people also can see that. Okay, when they all can see this, okay, who is the one really in control? Like I said, market maker, right? When the market makers are the ones who are truly in control, guys, okay, what do you think they hunt? They hunt liquidity. Okay, who is liquidity? You must ask your question, Guna, who is liquidity? Guna, what is liquidity? Liquidity is funds, okay, funds. But you must ask, who is liquidity? We are liquidity, guys. We are the ones. All of us are considered as retail traders. Okay. The thing that I learned the hard way in trading is don't trade the obvious. Okay. Don't just see something so obvious and then you just trade. Oh, okay. Order block zone. Oh, okay. Market respecting. Oh, I can see red candles. Sell. Oh, okay. Order block zone from the demand area. Demand is the one below. Okay, I'm seeing bulls come in. Enter for buy. So, on top of the obvious, you have to be able to see who is in control. Okay, based on this example here, right? Yes, okay, we're seeing a move up. Yes, this one is actually a liquidity sweep. So many things are playing out. Yeah, okay, fine. This one is a signs of bulls actually being in the market. Yes, this is actually a confirmed sign. All right. But then now bears also show their presence. So what do we want to do? Is it this is a very clear sign that bears actually show their presence here. So because of this, okay, even though you came in the zone and it's nice to enter, can I enter or not? If you ask me, can. It's just your risk is a little bit higher lah. Okay? Just a bit higher because why? We want to see when price comes into this zone, what he will do. It is very important to understand what he will do. Okay, there are two things happening. See, show you. Number one, this fair value gap. Okay. Number two, we have an order block zone that push price down. Okay, I mean, even though it's 1 minute, look how powerful this move was. All of this is red candles, guys. Correct or not? So now you have to see these two sections how price will react to. Price can potentially do this. Yeah, go down. Okay, come here, either respect, mitigate, or even fill it up, and then we potentially can be seeing a move down. This can happen. Right? If this happens means these sellers are valid. That means bears are in the market right now. We could potentially see this happening also. See, yeah? Break, okay, go through, touch the OB zone, and then we see a move down. This could potentially happen also. All right. You might be thinking, but then Guna, you said don't only focus on buys. I mean, only one side lah. Buys or sell doesn't matter. One side. Yes, yes, you're correct. Now you say I show you the buy opportunity. This could happen also. See, yeah? This one, down, break in, break, continue. Okay, continue until to which point? Like I said, potentially taking out the initial footprint of sellers. This could happen also. Okay, why this could happen is because, like I said, buyers show their presence here. Market finally came into the discount area, and now we're seeing bullish move up. Okay, I would have entered here. This would have been a nice entry, but because I saw a little bit signs of bears here, I rather choose to wait and see. Because to be honest, guys, we have a bit of room to the upside. Okay, we have potential if we want to trade. We have it, so no need to rush. It's okay. Also, we have another trendline liquidity here, which is full of funds, guys. Okay, all of this market potentially will be coming to take out. Of course, lah. Let me see which one has been taken out. This one taken out. No, this one yes. Okay, this one no. So that means up to this point, right? There is a liquidity area here, which has not been taken out yet. Okay, liquidity, like I said, is basically funds, guys. Okay, we are the liquidity that market makers actually look for, and they're very good at finding us. All right, so we must be even good at identifying where are they. Okay, for those that actually joined the live stream session today, you guys should already learn okay, about where are the market makers. Okay, they will leave signs. They always leave signs. Okay, think about it like how can I give an example? Let me see. Okay, think about this, huh? Let's say you can choose two animals, okay? Two animals. Let's say we choose an elephant. All right, one is an elephant. Another one we choose. What shall we choose? We choose a dog. How was that? Okay, dog. Huh? We choose elephant and then we choose a dog. Right? Remember this, huh? If we ask the dog first to walk on the field, okay, straight line, just a straight line, okay, nothing's fancy. He just walks straight to the finish line, okay. He walk in lane A. Then we ask the elephant to walk in lane B. Also the same grass, same land, nothing special. The elephant walks on lane B. It's not about how fast all, huh? Okay, I'm not saying about who is faster, okay? To be honest, I think the elephant will be faster. But the thing is, right, the elephant when he walks, okay, we can see his footprints on the grass because why? He's heavy. Okay, when the dog walks, basically we cannot see anything because he's light. Okay, I'm not trying to give you guys understanding about market maker means they are heavy. No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm telling you is market maker will leave marks. They will leave signs of where they were. Okay, you see all of these right, sudden moves down, all these are all signs. Okay, this slow move down all is not a sign, but you see this sudden move up all, this is all signs. Okay, market makers, I'm not saying this in a bad way. Okay, think of them like elephants. Okay, in the example that I told you, like the grassland, if the elephant walks on it, there will always be footprints. Okay, no matter he walks slow, he walk fast, he will leave footprints, not on purpose also. It's just because they have so much of funds. All right, so when they trade, market will follow, and when this happens, we can see. All right, just something for you guys to be aware of. All right, that's it. So now we're starting to see a move down. Okay, but then price never came into the fair value gap or mitigation zone. Okay, what do we do at this point? Nothing, guys. We just be patient. Okay, today live stream is basically want to share with you what we analyze about Dogecoin. Okay, and then it's actually moving towards the downside. We spoke about this yesterday, how we analyzed it, and now potentially we are finding out who is actually in control. Is it still bulls or will it be bears? All right, maybe I mark it up. I learned how to mark up this very cool tool. Okay, if you guys are using TradingView, you can use it also. Oh, sorry, this is bulls. Bulls. Okay, I gotta change this emoji. This is not a bull. This is a very cute bear. How did I do that? Maybe I did it. This is the one. There we go. Hold on, guys. Let me find a bull. Which is a bull? It's a lion. This is a pig. This is a dog. Okay, this is a bull. Yes, this is a bull. So cute, man. Okay, this is bulls. And then where's Bessie? Going down, guys. Where's bears? Bears are here. Potentially in here. Okay. Bears. Move these up. Okay, there is no bears. See, also very cute. Okay, you see? Bulls and bears. Okay. Now I just want to wait and identify which one is going to be respected and where can we potentially be seeing market heading to. Okay. Based on Asia session, we already know bears were present here, bears were present here. Okay. If bears are now present here again, this is the next zone we can go. The footprint of where bulls were initially showing themselves. Okay. Also to take note, this was very nice, beautiful form of mitigation. This would have been a very nice entry. And now price is resting on the similar zone of mitigation, okay, after sweeping this liquidity range. So you see, we're still moving towards the upside. Okay. If I draw you guys some context, right? This is what is happening. Potentially, we're going to be still moving up. Let me bring it to front. Bring to front. Okay. So potentially, this is going to be moving up. Potentially, but we want to see how price reacts after reaching the zone is the most important question, because based on what it does after reaching this zone, that is how we will be able to, I cannot say confirm, okay, I don't like to say this word in trading, nothing is confirmed in trading, but be able to identify who is in control. All right. So let's just wait and see. I'll leave you guys to listen to the music. Okay. So you guys have any questions, you guys can just ask me in the. Hold on, hold on. Oh, my trading view. Okay, you guys can see it. Suddenly I accidentally closed it. Okay, can. Okay. So I'll leave. I put on the music louder. Let's just sit back, relax, and look at price, and then I will let you guys know who is in control. Okay. Also, just to share, guys, the price actually came as high as equilibrium level. Okay, this is just here, just above equilibrium level. Okay, so it kind of just touched the discount area. Okay, I prefer it to still wait and see how it react inside of the zone. Okay, or potentially the OB zone. If it disrespects, then we can potentially be seeing our initial target zones. All right. Again, regardless, if it respects, we also have another target zone. Okay, always be prepared, guys. Just always be prepared. There's also another form of fair value gap just here. Okay, potentially price could even just come to this fair value gap and then it could go up. Not necessarily it has to come to this point, right? Nothing in trading is 100% and that is fine, totally fine. Okay, we just as traders it's good to be prepared for either scenarios that may happen or occur. This mitigation let me delete because it's no longer valid. Okay, so now it's a bit more clear in what we are seeing price do. Okay, let's see what it does when it goes inside. Stay patient, traders. Okay, guys, price went above mitigation. Let's see what it does in the OBR. It's not necessarily it has to touch as well because this one is considered it mitigated the fair value gap zone. Okay, this fair value gap has been mitigated, and this is a bearish fair value gap. Now it's getting exciting, guys. We're seeing a move down, huh? Let's wait until the candle close. Don't be eager. Let's wait. Remember, we don't have that much of volume, okay? Just wait. No need to rush actually, to be honest. Because if you think about it, right, if the candle moves all the way up, we have targets, guys. Oh, another thing. I don't know why I forgot to say this. Another thing, it's good to have both side targets, buy and sell, because you won't rush. You won't have the feeling of urgency to rush. Okay, because you know if the price okay, it breaks through already. It's okay. You have targets above. You know potentially where you may be heading to. Okay, price now moving down. No need to rush. You know how low it potentially can be going to. Okay, so that's why just always keep an eye out, guys, of two sides of the market. Okay. This is also a small little sign of showing potential bulls actually in the market right now. So if this gets disrespected, right, we potentially may be seeing this becomes a breaker block, which is also something we learned today. If price starts to respect this and we see bulls come in, okay, then we get in for a buy. We should use trading terms, guys. You guys get in for a long, okay? Let me take this to this side. Okay. Okay, we're seeing a move down. Huh? Wait for candle to close. Let's see how is it reacting. Okay, potentially price can come until to this point low to mitigate and then make a move up. Right? Be aware of what we are seeing. This is now becoming an inverse fair value gap. See how it reacts. Let's see how price will react. Huh? If price comes below here, this is also inverse already fair value gap right now. Where's the high of this London session? This high is what? What is this liquidity range? 27150. I'm just writing this down. 2715. Okay, so far we're seeing this OB being kind of respected, but like I said, wait and see how price will react to this one. Huh? Or even if it will come or not, nah, because right now this is an inverse fair value gap also. This mitigation has been disrespected, so this is no longer important. Nah. How this price action moves, right, will be able to help us identify if this is actually valid or not. These bears are actually valid or not. All right. So far, this OB is holding. Okay. How we can say that? Okay, we must be good. How do you know the OB is cooling? Because price is here one. This is 1 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the past 4 minutes, okay, price is sitting around this area. Price is having a little bit of a hard time to break through. But that doesn't mean that it won't. Okay, nothing in trading is 100%. That's why we just have to wait and see what is price telling us to do. Price potentially won't even come down here. Because this is already inverse, all right? We just now want to wait and see if price violates this OB zone or not. If it does, okay, then this becomes a breaker block. Wait for price to come back inside of this breaker block, and then if you start to see bulls in, you guys can enter. Okay, this will be a very nice entry zone. Okay, safe targets. This will be a very safe one because this is the liquidity range that have not been taken out yet by price. All right, but again, if it continues to move up, I believe it might go back into the footprint where sellers actually were showing their presence initially. Let me pull this longer so then we can see how price will be moving. Okay, but all of that depends on what price do now. All of it depends in this section here. Oh yeah, let me mark this out. This one is also showing bull sign. Let me mark this out. This one. Don't worry, guys. Usually weekend, you will tend to see more than one people actually in control per session. Okay. Sometimes it'll be very beautiful even on the weekends, like Asia. Asia actually is very beautiful because Asia actually was just showing sellers were actually majority in control and they were protecting this range here. Okay. But for London, because the range is quite small, okay, really it's a lot smaller. If you see Asia, look how the range, London. Okay, recently London has been like that. It's not really that powerful or that strong. Okay, this is okay. I need to change this. This is the bear. Change this to bulls. Okay. I feel the emojis are too cute. Okay. So far respecting, right? If this mitigation gets disrespected, okay, we have to now identify this zone is another fair value again. I try to make it different color. What color shall we put? No, cannot be yellow. It's London session already yellow. Green, maybe put blue. Okay, blue. And we have another OB zone here. Okay. Let's see. Who is the real one here? Bears or bulls? Let's see. I'll put the music for you guys, huh? We see. excuse me, I just playing around with the emojis one. So far, I see this is the best bull and the bear that I can see. So we can see price so far is respecting mitigation, okay? But again, wait. Price never close yet. Wait for the candle. Be patient, okay? Let price close. You see, suddenly there's strong push down. So I always wait. Okay, so this fair value gap has been mitigated already. We are seeing a form of respect already, guys. So wait, just wait. Okay, don't be eager. Okay, don't worry. Just wait. We know, right? Both sides also we have targets, so it's okay. If it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. Okay, we know our targets. Let me see if this one forms liquidity or not. Yes, it does. This is also liquidity. Not a very pretty one, but this is considered liquidity. Okay, so there are liquidity areas here. See, yeah, this is respect, yes, but the stronger one is still the bears, huh? Okay, wait and see. Let's wait a while more and see. See this candle, what it does. Guys, we are seeing bulls more present right now. Okay, so this could be a potential move to the upside. All right, we try. Okay, SL. Okay, I put below in the order block zone. Okay, TP I put all the way up here. Let's see. Let's see. Because one thing to note, okay, this order block has not been disrespected yet. It is still respected. Also, there are liquidity ranges here. Okay, this is the last liquidity range that is yet to be taken. Personally, it would be better for me to enter after it breaks. And then when you use this back, like what I teach you guys this morning as a breaker block, then we can enter. Okay, this is the most safer route to enter. But if you guys think can enter now or not, can also, not cannot. Just remember, protecting your capital is always key. If this breaks through, right, guys, this bears is actually not valid anymore. That means bulls are valid. Okay, that means this bear versus bulls, bulls are the winners. All right, just keep that in mind. All right. Apologies, guys. I reply on text first, huh? Okay. Okay, guys, can you see? Okay, this is showing a real fight we actually right now are seeing. Bears and bulls really fighting. Okay, this is how you can really see it. You can see strong moves towards the upside, especially from this point. Okay, the moment it comes this section here, right, bears is protecting this range. Okay, this is how you guys are able to read price action and understand. This one is still considered it never break the OB zone yet. Okay, you see, very strong move, very strong bearish move. I won't say strong bearish move, okay, but very strong bearish candle. But so far, okay, so far, he is earning points now. So we give him points. The bull is actually earning points for now. Bear still so far 0 points. Okay, if you ask me how I give these points, I just chinchay only. Okay, I chinchay because I'm seeing more bullish movement towards the upside. All right, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing bullish movement towards the upside. Okay, the only thing we have to be aware of is liquidity. Because why? This range here, liquidity already has been swept by the bulls. So that means potentially the bulls are actually here just to come and take out all of the liquidity ranges in this area. All right, potentially. So we have to now understand this fair value gap has already been filled. Now it becomes an inverse fair value gap. Okay, price came into the bullish fair value gap, respected mitigation beautifully, and then it made a move up. Okay, it also made a new high line. So this is an impulse. Right now we're having a pullback. So right now let's wait and see. Okay, the pullback, what will happen? Will it make another impulse move down? This kind of moves, right, usually happen in the weekends. You will tend to see bears and also you will tend to see bulls in the market. But don't worry, usually on the weekdays, right, if we are able to identify who is actually in control in a session, usually it stays that way. Usually it stays that way. It's not 100%, but usually it stays that way. If sellers are in control, bears are in control, usually they will dominate Asia session. If bulls are in control for London, then they will dominate London session. It's just we must be very good in terms of how we are able to identify where are they potentially at, okay, where are they acting, and why are they acting. The reason why I say why are they acting is because we need to see, okay, if they want to go in for a buy. Because bulls, they only want to push price up, okay, bears want to push price down, okay. So if bulls are actually there, okay, they want to push price up. Why? You see, like this one, right? Yes, potentially this one can be going up all the way here, guys, even higher, all the way here, because this was the initial footprint of sellers. This was the initial footprint of sellers in Asia session. So potentially it can be going up all the way there. Can, not cannot. Okay, but at the same time, you see, potentially also these bulls just want to move price, okay, to take out, to clear this fair value gap, number one, and then one last move up to clear out this liquidity range here, okay. This could also potentially happen. So it's still considered bulls did appear, all right, but they appear with a purpose just to do these certain things, okay. Entering around this area is not wrong, right? It's actually okay. It's part of the trading method and trading concept, trading idea. So it's okay. Okay? Because right now we have two people in control, right? And then we can very slow. Okay. When we have more volume, okay, we can be seeing more easy price action movements. Let me move my bull because price is so big already. Wait out, wait out. See, that's now I want to play with this, right? See now how difficult. Oh, sorry. You can see that bulls still want to push up. Okay, so if we are still seeing bulls, right, trying to push price up, all right, that means, right, potentially this is not what they're after. This is also another thing that you guys can be aware of. If bulls are still trying their best to push price up, right, that means this liquidity is not what they're after. This fair value gap is not what they're after. Immediately in your mind, when you know this, okay, when you're able to identify this, right, you have to see, okay, if they're not after this liquidity range, then which one you need to go and find. Okay, for us to find that very easy lah. We know, like, really mark it out lah. Let's say we got liquidity range here. Okay, we have a footprint also of the previous sellers, the bears. Okay, they usually like to go back into their footprint. Okay, I don't know why. Maybe they want to step back on top of their footprint. I don't know. Okay, but this is what usually happen. Everything is about seeing the signs. What is going on? Okay. Let's see. I think I have questions in the chat. One moment, Oh, I have quite a few. I'm so sorry, guys. I was so busy, seeing the chat. I never see. Hello, hi, Elvis. Thank you so much for joining. I think I always face this problem too. Okay, sometimes overconfidence also not a good thing, I guess. Overconfidence, yeah. Overconfidence is also not a good thing, lah. But like I said, lah, if you are able to, how do I say it? Analyze the market, right, and you give yourself a prediction of either both buy and also sell, okay, your confidence level, you won't be too confident anymore. Actually impossible to be too confident because you're giving two analysis, and right when you do that, right, immediately you are neutralized. Okay, you are not in either team, you are not in the bears team, you are not in the bulls team. Okay, you are in your team, you are equilibrium, you are in the middle range. Okay, so maybe this is something that you guys can try lah. Okay, always give your predictions both sides of the market, so regardless whatever happen, you will be prepared and ready and understand what to do. All right, usually I don't trade if I'm confused. Good, don't. My most important how to say advice, right, is not about if you're not if you're confused is one thing, but if you cannot find liquidity, if you cannot find liquidity ranges, right, if you cannot find what is being swept, who is in control, don't. That means you are the liquidity. Okay, they're hunting you. Do you use Fibonacci as entry point and TP point as well? Okay, my TP points, right, and also entry points, I don't really rely a lot on Fibonacci. Okay, there's a reason behind it. Okay, you see all of these things I drew, right? Okay, this is my auto clock. Okay, for those that don't know, this is OB zone. Okay, the one in this color is OB zone. The one in the darker color is basically my fair value gap. Okay, this is also fair value gap. I just put a different color because there's a bullish fair value gap just below the bearish fair value gap. Okay, that's all. This is also fair value gap, and then another order block here. All right. No matter what I draw, okay, no matter what I trust me, okay, this one is based on my experience. No matter what I draw, if I cannot identify who is in control, is it bulls or bears, right? None of this will matter, guys. None of it will matter. The most important thing is who is in control. See, I notice here, okay, here got bulls, but here got bears. Can you see that's why price is fighting in between here? If price breaks through means this bear lose already. We can remove this bear, we can focus only on the bulls for now. Okay? Always identify who is in control. I do not use Fibonacci as my entry points. What I use as entry points is basically understanding my mitigation range after I am able to identify who is in control. That is my personal strategy. Okay, I use Fibonacci, not really Fibonacci, but using this one Gann tool. I call it Gann tool. Okay, this is just for me to identify where is equilibrium level and where are my premium and discount zones. That's all. That's the thing that I use. I always have TPSL as a good. Please, always, always. And then the most important thing, right, is remember to do BE also, okay? Make sure do BE. Set BE. But ever since I learned from you, I start to practice this. Awesome. So happy to hear that. Yes, yes. I even saw your profits also. I'm so amazed. Especially about today when we learn about the fried chicken concept. Yeah, all of you guys heard it. We did a concept called fried chicken concept. Okay, this one is something that I made so that it will be fun and easy to learn. Right? Learning should be fun. Hi, I'm new here. Yes, Brian. I think you're the one that texts me, right? I think you're the one that texts me. Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much for joining. I just sent you the link and you joined already. Appreciate that so much. Welcome to the live stream. If you haven't liked or subscribed already, miss, please do. I will check my notification later. Okay. Okay, and then also, guys, for those that are here, I would truly appreciate if you guys would give me a like in the video, also share this video potentially with any of your friends, or even share my YouTube page. The reason is because my goal, right, is to build a genuine community of traders, okay, all for free, just to build you guys to become the best possible traders that you can be, and put all of us in an environment which is our Discord community so that we all can learn and grow and become stronger and stronger together. Okay, this is my goal. All right. So if you guys maybe have friends that are okay, guys, bulls are in power because they broke through the order block. So when an order block gets broken through, not breakthrough, broken through, all right, that means this becomes a breaker block. So let's see now price coming inside. Will price respect this as a breaker block and push up or not? Okay, let me just draw the visual. Breaks through it, right? Now it's coming inside. If it respects it, and wow, I didn't know the triangle can do this. I mean the pointer, so cool. Okay, you see now it's respecting, right? If we're starting to see bulls come in, okay, we potentially will be seeing a move up. Okay, let's wait. Always wait for candle to close. Don't rush for price. Don't rush for profits. Okay, we already mark out where is our potential TP range, potential how high price can go. We already mark out where is our potential range if price want to move down. Why we want to rush? No need to rush. Okay. When we trade with greed, when we trade with rush, right, that means we're trading with emotion, right? Please don't. Emotion will kill us, guys. Okay, I personally face this a lot already. Okay, we're seeing a strong, nice rejection. That means this breaker block potentially is holding. If you guys want to enter, means you guys can enter for buy now. Okay. SL don't set as low as me. Okay. The reason why is because the entry is here. Okay. I can pull back. Okay, the SL you guys can set below this breaker block. So then if it comes down means, okay, to this point by right, it shouldn't. So it's okay. Then we can focus on sell after. You guys can potentially enter now. SL below the breaker block. If you want even safer SL, below this red candle here. Okay, just here. I'll show you. Let's say you enter here. This is your SL. Okay, below this candle here. TP, you can either aim here. This is over 1 to 1. If you want to go 1 to 3, also potentially can. Because why? We are still in range. Okay? We are still in the range. Okay, this is what you guys can do. See how candle will be respecting this breaker block, alright? If you guys want to wait and see until we see a bullish candle, also can. Where was I? What was I sharing? Hello. Thank you so much for joining, Elvin. Also, another thing to mention what I was mentioning about. Oh yeah, if you guys have friends that who are truly interested, I really mean it, are truly interested in trading because I want to build genuine community of people who really love trading, who really want to be traders. Okay, if you really think like, hey, I actually got a friend like he also really interested, please share my YouTube page with them. Bring them to actually contact us. So that we can actually help out lah. Because again, like we're doing this podcast, potentially can be going for buy. We're seeing strong, nice rejection here already. Yeah. Hold on, guys. One moment. One moment, guys. You guys enjoy the music first, huh? Okay. Okay, so we have questions. We have questions. I like questions. Yes, I've shared it to some of my friends also, and they told me that it's fun learning with you, and I like that. Oh, that's so nice to hear. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, thank you. One more. Okay. Another question, Brian. Is it me or why is my big units interface not same as you? Interface, Brian. This is TradingView. I'm actually showing it on TradingView. This interface that you're seeing right now, right? My screen, right? All of the analysis, everything I do on TradingView. But yeah, TradingView, yes. Thank you so much, Erwin, also for helping out. My interface of bit Unix, everything will be the same, like how it is. But I do my live stream analysis, everything I show is from TradingView. Even if you log in Unix, right, I will highly recommend that you actually do any form of trading through your laptop. Okay, the reason is because it's a lot more convenient, especially bigger screen. Okay, and then also Unix is already connected, it's actually integrated with TradingView inside there. Okay, I don't know what is trading. Oh really? Oh really? Okay, okay. No worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. To be honest, okay, I'll be honest. I don't know also about TradingView until I start to really go and search all of these popular influencers and all that on YouTube, Instagram, these things all. Then I start to see, wow, I actually got interested in TradingView with this thing, literally this thing, and it was purple lah. Okay, because the default one was purple. Let me make it. This two purple. Roughly like this. I think it was this color. I think so. Or was it different color? Maybe it was this color. Actually, I cannot recall the color lah, but it was quite pretty lah, especially in the dark screen background, right? It was quite pretty. And then they also had like these outer linings. Let me see, yeah. Okay, okay, this is the background, this is the border. I think it was like this. I remember it was something like this. Okay, let me make it dark screen for a while, guys. Don't scare, something like this. Okay. No, it was much better. It looked much better than this. Actually. Something like this, lah. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then they all were drawing, I was saying, wow, what is this so cool? They can draw this box. And then I can see they go put emoji. But this box is the main thing that interested me, lah, to be honest. Lah. So from that, also I didn't know what was TradingView. I accidentally stumbled upon TradingView. When I searched the website, then they said TradingView, and I got interested. So that's how I found out. Lah. But no worries, no worries. I'm glad you came to the live and then we found out what is TradingView already. Yeah, I guess so too. We both start from fresh. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that means this breaker block is valid. Huh? I hope you guys can enter for buy lah. Okay. So that means the bears here lost. All right. Bulls that took power in this section here, they are right now in control. So bulls. Okay. This one. This was zero. Okay. Bulls winner. Winner. Bulls. Okay. So we're moving up. Okay. So you guys can drag lah. Yeah. So okay, set BE. If you guys want, take out all profits if you want. Okay. Trading is very, like I said it before, a Rubik's Cube concept. All right, guys. So feel free, whichever you feel comfortable. All right. Hold on, guys. One moment now. All right. All right. Okay, this is actually a beautiful trade session. Okay. I hope it wasn't too complex, guys. Actually, to be honest, quite simple. Okay, we did quite a few drawings only. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Huh? I learned so much from trading knowledge. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate that so much. As much as you guys learn from me, I learn from you all also. Okay, this is it. Me trying to build a trading community. Okay, where we all can learn together. All right, that is my goal. So maybe I put B lower. I've been in stock exchange, but the long-term investment dividend game want to try trading since 24 hours and I can do it after my work. I see. But stock exchange, you mainly focus on buys, right? Because I from what I understand is you guys cannot trade for sales for stocks. But one thing nice about like crypto exchange, forex, all you actually can trade the trend moving up and also the trend moving down. Lah. How long actually have you been in the stock exchange, Brian, if you don't mind me asking? And yes, when you try set about trading 24 hours, yes, it's a daily thing. Every day or so you'll be able to find something to trade out from. Okay? The most important thing is understanding who is in power, guys. Okay, so which liquidity range has been taken out? Let's mark it out now. This one is the first one. This one has been taken out. Okay. This second one, not yet. Third one, also not yet. Fourth one no need to mark lah. Our TP is there. Okay. So these are the liquidity ranges. This one taken. Mark this out. I'm 27. Started when I was 21. I'm 28. Oh, you started in 21. That's what, 6 years of experience. That's amazing. I feel I can learn from you also. Please, do share with me also. And participate in the CMB Stock Exchange Challenge back in uni. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Okay, so then now you like got interested lah to actually try trading also. I mean, yes, stock is actually a very good thing. The only thing is like what you say lah. Okay, guys, see, suddenly we're having moved down. I hope you guys have B already, yeah? Okay, so you're seeing this breaker block. Okay, so far okay. This is why it's so important to set PE, guys. But I decided to improve my sales skills to get a good job. Okay, a little stable now, so I want to learn another skill to increase my income. It's a very good thing that the way actually you think is about how to actually generate more income. And I truly believe that trading is actually a very good way to earn the additional income, especially because it's very flexible. Okay, we have quite a few sessions throughout the day. Okay, we have three major ones, not only three, but we have three major ones. Okay, the major sessions that we actually have throughout the day basically is Asia, London, and also New York. Okay, so these are the three major sessions that we have. But then, like how to say, on top of those major sessions, we of course now must be able to identify certain things. Okay, which markets are you actually trying to trade, how they actually move, what are their behaviors in each of these individual sessions. Like for example, I show you this. Right now we're focusing on London, right? Okay, yes, London, okay, fine, but look at Asia. Asia is a lot more stronger. Okay, usually London is a lot more stronger, but these recent days I've been seeing Asia is even more tradable compared to London. All right, last time I wouldn't say this. Last time I would just say Asia is something where we first used to identify where is the liquidity range. Okay, who was in power. Then we'll be able to see where is that footprint for us to potentially enter another trade in London session. Okay, but right now I prefer to trade more in Asia compared to trading in London. Personally. Okay, so it just depends. It really just depends. But don't worry lah. If you say you want to trade like after your job, right? Then you can actually trade in a very good session now, which is basically London session now. London session is a very good session to trade in, guys. I initially told myself I want to do this live for 1 hour. I'm here for 2 hours, almost 2 hours really. Okay, so guys, regardless, if the trade comes down, right? Okay, if you guys are enter, you guys said BE means, okay, I'm very happy for you. Okay, if you guys got any profit, let me know. All right, but so far, actually, still bull win. Okay, we are seeing a bullish foundation up. Let me draw it for you. Yeah, up, up. Okay, this is the bullish foundation. Okay, we are moving towards the upside. All right, so far, we are still very bullish. And then later 9:30 we'll be having a New York session lah. So I will be sending my predictions or my predictions lah. Basically about understanding who is in control. Then potentially you guys can also be entering the trade then. Okay. Oh, we can trade in different time zones. Yes, yes, yes. Very, very, very important thing, right, Brian, is you must understand in trading, right, there are sessions. We call it sessions, okay? Asia, London, New York. Okay, you see this yellow box here? It says the big word London. Okay, this is our London session. You see Asia? This is our Asia session. Soon we will start to see a green box. See this big green box here? This is called New York session. All right. New York session usually has the most volume. Okay, because you know like stock exchange, everything. You're in stocks. I'm pretty sure you know stock exchange. These things all is more. Everything is based in New York, right? If I'm not mistaken, 10 p.m. Malaysia time is when the stock exchange market opens every day. Not every day, sorry, Monday to I think every day, yeah. They open. Okay? Except weekends lah. So that's why at 10 p.m. usually yes, correct, New York session. That's when the time where a lot more volume will be coming into the market. Okay? So always understand which session are you trying to trade in. All right, and of course lah, also the pairing, seeing their behavior, and other than that, always understand who is in power. Like for example, right, we are able to identify bulls were in power here. Okay, price came into mitigation. This would have been a very nice entry move to the upside. Now we're seeing a move towards the downside again. All right, but still this is considered an inverse fair value gap. Okay, inverse fair value gap basically means this was initially a bearish fair value gap. Okay, when we see bearish fair value gap, it basically means whenever price comes back into this zone, either mitigates or fills up the zone, it should move down. This is just based on trading basic lah, okay, the basic understanding of fair value gaps. But if price disrespects the fair value gap, okay, this now becomes an inverse fair value gap. So that means when price comes back inside of the fair value gap, it now inverse now. It will move in the opposite direction. So upside. So that's what happened now. So bulls show their sign, their footprint. Price came into mitigation into a bullish fair value gap. Price also came into an inverse fair value gap. That's why price moved up. So this is still considered bulls are winning. Okay, so far still the inverse fair value gap is being respected lah. So I still say bulls are winning. Okay, but guys, I shared this before. The moment New York session opens, okay, just be cautious because every session we cannot confirm if still bulls will be in control or still bears will be in control. Okay, this thing we cannot confirm. We always wait and see first who is in control, and we just follow them. All right. I started early because my family member is a broker in the bank. Ah, I see. It's a good thing, right? It's a good thing. You see, your family member is actually in the bank, so then you are already exposed automatically into a very, very powerful platform. To be honest, trading is a very, very powerful platform. No one to help me, so I go for an academy outside to learn, and I paid 5 digit fee. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. Today morning also the session you told. Right, that's all. I also same lah. I also caught up with this kind of things. Okay, guys, you see now we're seeing a move down. Huh? This inverse fair value gap is not really holding already anymore. When we see price come back inside and trading right in between this inverse fair value gap, this one is not really a very strong valid fair value gap anymore. This one can be deleted. Okay, even though we're seeing a move up, okay, it is because this fair value gap is still here. Okay, it doesn't hold as much power. The reason is because it's already mitigated. So don't use this as the same understanding as the OB zone. All right. This breaker block is not valid anymore because price broke through, but then price also came below it. So this goes away. This one, all of these lines, see these liquidity ranges, all has been taken out already. Okay, we still have two more liquidity range here, potentially also coming into the footprint of sellers. Okay, now we just have to wait and see what else price will be doing. But so far, bulls are still winning. Okay, bulls are still pushing price up. This one did not make an impulse move down. I draw again, huh? Draw again. Okay, see? It didn't make a move below this low. This didn't happen. Okay, we are still bullish. Okay, we are still moving towards the upside. All right, we are not moving towards the downside yet. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Family members work. Okay, I wanted to learn forex, but I had the fear of what you've encountered, paying 5 digit without learning anything. Actually, yeah. I last time I wish I had this mindset, but I didn't. It's just okay. Pay. I pay about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, yeah, 5 digit. I also pay 5 digit to learn. So you have to pay to learn forex as well. Let me see. Most tangga until I quit. Taking losses, but mine already gone. Okay. Putting people instead of really trading. Yeah. Oh my God. Some people did that because they don't know. Yes, 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 yes. Actually, a lot of the companies, that claim they can teach you how to trade, if you're not earning very well, right, then they will ask you to actually just recruit people, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Actually, I shouldn't say this online, Then later they see me, then they'll come and find me. But you don't have to worry, Brian here, I won't charge you $1 also, okay? So follow and observe Guna Insta a long time. Oh, really? Oh, okay, okay. Thank you so much if you've been following my page. Invest in my yes, yes, yes. That's the only thing I ask for. Okay, you guys don't have to pay me even $1 or so, but you need to pay yourself, which is basically you just have to invest in yourself. Not only in terms of like trading, putting in some deposits so you can start to trade, but at the same time you also have to sacrifice your time. That's what I ask from you guys. I need you guys to sacrifice your time. All of the content that I share, all the live streams that I share, all of the tutorials that I share, it is all to benefit you in trading. Okay, it's not for me to benefit anything. Okay, I'm not charging you guys anything, but is something that is related to the goal that I had. Okay, that goal is, like I said, to build genuine traders so that we can have our own community whereby when we find a lot more traders that are interested, okay, we can put all of them inside the community and all of us can help out each other. That is what I want. Because I took 1 year and 7 months to really find a path to profitability, okay, to find something that works for me. 1 year, 7 months, a lot of losses. Like I got a lot of wins, okay, big ones, but I got losses also big ones. Okay, I blew up accounts, all the thing like all the normal thing like that traders will go through, like they're not in the correct environment. And then I start to realize after when I find profitability, I managed to meet traders also. And then just speaking to traders for a month, right? My trading became so much better. That is because of the environment that I was in. Then when I realized how beneficial just being in the proper environment is, I told myself, okay, I want to give back to the society. I want to build genuine traders, and I want to build my own community of traders, okay, whereby we can help more people if they're interested to become traders. Not only me, okay. My goal is not looking that only I help. Okay, in this community, I really hope that all of us can help out each other. Okay, we are all traders. We all have to look out for each other. Win or lose, everything also we can do it together. Right? Winning, of course, is the main goal. Losing is part of the journey. All right. But remember, always protect capital. Huh? I never tell you guys margin call. Huh? Yes, it's normal to be afraid because of how people portraying trading nowadays. Yeah, trading is not a scam, guys. Trading is a legit thing. Banks have been doing it for years already. Okay, it's just how the scammers use trading. They made that image quite bad now. Let me see. Still finding a proper teacher. I hope I can be able to help you, Ryan. I really do hope so. Okay, I will do my best now from my part. Okay, so I've been looking for, but it's really not easy to find. Yeah. Okay, guys, see, still bulls are winning out because why? Price didn't break below. Okay, always remember I spoke about market foundation many times already in my live stream. It is so important and so powerful. All right, just understanding market foundation, you'll be able to identify either when you should actually get out of the trade and when you should stay. Okay, so guys, I think right, I might be ending the live now. Okay, because I want to go and spend some time with my parents. Okay, my parents came over. I thought I would be on live for 1 hour. Okay, I'm live almost for 2 hours already. Okay, but I hope today's session was insightful about showing you guys how to identify bulls, how to identify bears, and then show you guys when is to wait for, to be patient. Okay, the mitigation zone, how to see when it's being respected, when can we potentially enter, when should we set BE. And I hope all of these things that I share with you guys are able to benefit from it lah. Okay, but if you guys really want to take it up a notch, okay, please do consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, sharing it with your other trading friends, okay, whoever that is interested to be traders. At the same time, there is also a Google form link where you can register for free, and then just text me, let me know that you already registered, and then we will add you into the Discord community. Okay, I mean, just make sure the chat answer everything in the end. Is everything okay? People not okay? Hope to see you soon, Brian. By the way, normally, when is the session? Okay, if you want to focus on New York session, which I highly recommend that you focus on for now, since you said you are working in sales, right, Brian? There's no you mentioned. Let me check. Hold on. I saw it earlier. I think you said sales. Um, oh, you said sales skills to get a job. Okay. Okay. Okay, so but usually I believe nighttime you'll be free, right? So nighttime means you just focus for now is 9:30. But I believe next month in March, okay, it will be starting at 10:30. But don't worry lah, since you already registered, okay, later my admins everything will be checking. Okay, if they already done their checking, then they will invite you into the Discord community. Okay, I will highlight you guys lah if any of the sessions are actually changing. Usually New York only will change roughly around 9:30 or 10:30. So later you can look out into the markets, okay, at 9:30 today, and then you can analyze and see how the market is actually moving. Okay, we focus solely on crypto here because crypto so many opportunities right now. Okay, so you guys actually jumping on the right time to actually go into crypto. I mean cybersecurity sales. All right. Then I believe nighttime will be a very good time for you to trade now. Okay, 9:30 p.m. for now. Okay, next month it will change to 10:30 p.m. But don't worry lah, any changes, you guys have me lah. I will update inside of the group for sure. No worries. I appreciate you guys actually giving me your time lah, especially on a Sunday. Usually Sunday people already go out, hang out, all right, okay. I appreciate you guys being here. All right. So I will end today's live session. Any questions? Okay, you guys have my number. You see right there. You guys can reach out to me directly. Anything related to the app, okay, you guys can reach out to me also, okay, then I will pass you guys our admin's number, okay. Anything app related, you guys can ask the admin, okay. They know it so much more better than me. I know how to buy, sell, take out TP, okay, set B, this thing I know. All right, any other function you want to know, the rewards now, what is the rewards, the stuff, all everything you guys better ask admin. I don't want to give you guys any wrong info. Trading means you guys ask me, okay. I give you guys all the right info. All right. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's live stream. All right. Take care. I give you guys back the rest of the Sunday. All right. Have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Take care. Goodbye.